slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey lovebuzz, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I am going to be reviewing today was sent to me by Wequeen. Shout out to you, Wequeen, for sending me this unit. Right here I'm showing you guys what all came in the packaging. Did you see those goodies, girl? Did you see those goodies? Okay, so the unit I'm going to be reviewing is this braided wig. And to me, this is like more of a braided twisted wig. And right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it also comes with an elastic band. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this wig, and if you're interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you lovebugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Wequeen Hair. Shout out to you, Wequeen, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. This unit is their pre-sale 100% hand braided box braid cornrow ombre color 13x5 glueless braided wig. This unit does retail for $114, honey, okay? And the length is 28 inches, and it says texture box braids. I wouldn't call these box braids. I would call these seem to be more like twists, Senegalese twist in the back. Now, the top is definitely cornrows, but I do feel like the back is a Senegalese twist. But honey, they do have box braids on here. And that may just be like a cultural thing. You know what I mean? Like, over here, we call these Senegalese. Okay, so it says cap construction, 13x5 lace front cap, fiber materials, 100% high quality Kankalon synthetic fiber, image texture box braided cornrow. And as I stated, like, I feel like this is definitely more of a twist, like a Senegalese twist. The color is Ombre 1B/30. The image length is 28 inches, and it's also the length that I have. It's the only length that they have available. It says hairline realistic knotless hairline with baby hair, glueless braided lace wig with elastic band, and Swiss lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some of the things that they asked me to do, girl, because I don't want to forget. Because I am definitely not used to doing a whole lot of extra. Okay, read all about it. Okay, so Okay, use your nail to scratch the braided hair for showing the wig sound. Child, I don't know what that means. So I'm just gonna do this. You know what I mean? I don't know, girl. I hadn't worn a lot of braids in my time, but I did go through a phase where I wore Senegalese twists a lot. Like, girl, that was my thing. So I don't know if this is right. I don't know, girl, but that's where my mic is. So I hope the sound comes off the way that they want it to. Okay, so this unit did come with these little hair accessories, and I really was happy about that. Like, I love hair accessories, and when I initially decided that I was gonna review this wig, I was like, Lord, I need to go to the beauty supply store and get some more hair accessories, because I have been using a lot of mine on Journey's head. So I was really excited to receive this, and obviously I did decorate it a little bit. I didn't want to go all out and do a whole lot of extra because I didn't feel like the unit needed it. They did say flip your hair, so like I guess like this. I mean, it's different because of how it's styled. It's not like completely box braid. So you guys know, I always give you guys a full 360, and I'm gonna kind of open it up in the back so you guys can see what it looks like underneath there. But yeah, we'll get into that later. Now, as far as the cap construction, girl, how many combs is it? I want to say it's 3 combs. I could be wrong in the front. It could be 2. If not, you guys know, you'll know, or I'll say it at the beginning of the video. It does have 1 comb in the back, and it does come with adjustable straps as well as an elastic band. I do feel like you can wear this wig glueless with no problem. My issue is these days your girl ain't got no hair, okay? I don't have no hair, but I do feel like this is a wig that you probably really could wear glueless. So shout out to y'all for that, girl. Like, I love a good glueless wig, honey, although I never wear a glueless wig. This unit did also come with baby hairs, and I like that the baby hairs that they had, and I decided to go a little extra with my baby hairs, trying out to do like some of the styles that I've seen the girls do recently. Like, y'all let me know what you think. Am I up to par with the youngins, girl? Like, did you think I did the baby hairs kind of good or not? Like, let me know. Let me know down below in the comments. So yeah, I did do a little extra with the baby hairs. I did not tweeze the baby hairs. I didn't feel like the baby hairs were too thick, especially for the type of baby hairs that I had decided I was gonna do. But I did cut them. So yeah, I did that, and I did not use mousse. I used my edge control because, honey, mousse just don't get it for me, okay? Mousse just don't get it for me. I'm a 90s baby, okay? I'm a 90s baby, and mousse don't do it, okay? I'm used to that hard stuff, girl. Okay, I'm not a 90s baby, but I grew up in the 90s, okay? I grew up in the 90s. I was actually born in 1988. Boop. But anyway, so yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the construction and stuff goes. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick length check, and then we can get into how I feel about this. Okay, y'all, so keep in mind, I did say that this wig is 28 inches long. I am 5'4", so I'm not the longest. Girl, you not long, honey. You know what I mean. I'm not the tallest girl in the world, so this is where the hair comes to me. And this is where the hair comes to me in the back. Okay, so always keep in mind that where hair comes to me or anybody else that you may watch depends on their height. I am 5'4", so it may be longer or shorter on you depending on your height. Okay, so now we can get into how I feel about this unit. Okay, girl, I ain't gonna even hold you, sis. I'm not gonna even hold you. This wig is an entire look, okay? This is an entire look. This is the type of unit where you don't necessarily have to worry about stuff going on in the back, girl, where you ain't gotta worry about people knowing all your secrets, honey, okay? So yeah, I am definitely feeling this unit. It is super thick. It is so full. Now I will admit it's a little heavy. It's not like crazy heavy. And let me see if they have the weight on here. Yeah, the weight of this wig is 350 grams. So it is a little more on the, the heavier side, but it's not crazy. Honestly, to me, it feels like Senegalese twist. Like the weight of it feels like Senegalese twist feel when you get them done and they're full and long and pretty. It feels like that. Like, that's just how it feels to me. Like, I'm not one of those people that heavy hair, and it's not like stupid heavy, but I don't know. It may be for you depending on what you're used to. To me, it's not that big of a deal. It's not too heavy, but it really just depends on the person. To me, it's not, but it could be for you. It just depends on you, girl. It depends on you. So yeah, I did want to throw that out there, but it is super full. It is super nice. I am obsessed with this wig. The color is gorgeous. Like, honey, I love the color. It says like a natural black slash auburn slash light auburn color, and it is the color number 30, which is like an auburnish type color. So yeah, I think the color is great. It's a color that can transition into fall, you know, like you can wear it in the summer, but it's definitely a color. 30 to me is a color that can be worn in the summer and in the fall. It's like a fall type of brownish or like auburn, honey. But yeah, I am definitely feeling it. I have no issues with this wig. I cannot pick an issue, girl. I cannot pick one. Like, I feel like the hairline is nice. I feel like the lace is not too dark. That is always an issue for me. And I don't feel like the lace would be too light on people that are darker than me. I feel like the lace is just nice. Like, I feel like, honey, they did this. Girl, you did this, okay? I love this wig. This is definitely going to be a go-to for me. My auntie tends to take my braided wigs, honey. You're not getting her. You are not getting her, okay? And I am not mad at the price whatsoever. I feel like when it comes to braided wigs, they can, you know, get really expensive. And I don't really necessarily mind a braided wig being expensive, because I feel like as far as wigs go, braided wigs can really stand the test of time. And for $114, girl, you better get this wig. You better get this wig, honey. I love it. I have no issues with it whatsoever. So I don't know if I got close enough for you guys to just see the hairline. I feel like the hairline is perfection. Like, look at that, girl, you know this is a look. So this is a look. I have no issues with it. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just give you guys a full 360. I'm gonna open up the hair some so you can look in there. Like, that's when I really always get a better look myself. So I'm gonna open it up just so you guys can get a better look at it. And girl, I know you're gonna feel like I feel, like, honey, girl, yeah. So anyways, let me go ahead and give you guys a full 360. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. So yeah, there is track back here, but I with the wig being as full as it is, I don't think it would be an issue. Like, when a wig is really full, I don't think that's an issue. But you know, honey, you be the judge. And this is it on the right side. I don't like this baby hair right here. I didn't do that one good, but whatever. So yeah, I'm feeling it, y'all. Hands down, this is definitely a favorite braided wig for me. I love it. I have no issues with it whatsoever. My hubby said I was giving him Caribbean vibes, honey. Okay, your girl don't know how to wind, but that's what he said. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a vibe. It's a look for me. Let me know down below if it's the vibe and a look for you. Comment that down below. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click that subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Health and Messy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.